Get him, Hank. Yeah! Oh. No. Oh! Alright, hey guys, what's going on? It's I think it's second to last day today. A bit slow yesterday for me, but my brother caught a meatery, so that was pretty cool. Just about to take the drone up now. I caught a queenie this morning, a couple of fish on deck, but yeah, we'll take a look around here on the drone, so hopefully it looks pretty cool.
Softer it gets, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Like it's a big casserole or something like that way.
Like a stew.
Yeah, that way, like, if you put little things to me the little things about camp, us boys are frying up fucking bag. Cook yourself. I don't know, I haven't really, neither have I. I like it's like something you do throughout.
Company me out of the bar.
Yep. Hang on. He's in a snag. No, he's not. He's out. Quick. Got this guy on the trawl.
Yeah, you got him.
Yes.
You'll be able to get him there. Oh. What happened there?
Yeah!
Good work, Maxie boy.
Bloody beautiful little barra there. On the trawl, second one. Yeah, caught on the trawl.
It looks wet.
Alright. Got a bit of a rib mouth here. Bit of dirty water pushing out, so I'll just vibe it. See if anything can come out of there. No. Oh! Oh! Bloody blue nose.
Come on, right, just keep going.
Yeah, mate, keep going.
Yeah. Pump him out. Fuck, snag.
This thing's snagged deep. He's snagged. No, he's coming out. No, it's snagged, hell bad. Yep. Fuck, that was a dog, man. I don't know. Should I let loose for a bit? Oh! You can see him.
Back out, aren't you?
Nah. He's under a tree, but he came up to the surface. Yeah, got him, got him. Got him! Oh! Big Chromie, big Chromie! Oh, he's under the guts, he's under the guts. Get him, Hank. Yeah! Let's go!
So I just wanted to talk you through the reason I was so hyped to catch this fish is because as soon as I hooked it, it swam straight into a snag, went under a branch, but I could actually see the fish come up almost to the surface on the other side.
Did you see how deep that was under the
almost
snag?
certain I wasn't going to catch it because I only had 20 pound on. Somehow I managed to pull it back through and get it.
Oh, what? Jagged. Oh no.
Careful of the spikes. Oh no.
Blue nose. Hopefully he falls off.
You want the net or are you just going to send it?
Yeah, I'll just pull him up.
Yeah.
Queenie.
Yeah. Oh, I might be
See the bite, H? It's all good.
Go
Oh.
behind him and then bring him towards us.
Yeah, I got it.
Fish, eh?
Oh yeah. Harry's on.
Yep.
What is he? Yeah! Good stuff, Harry. Woo! Yeah! Big mud crab up here.
Over that stick, pull up there, he's going to go straight into
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. Had to jump in the bloody crock water there.
Come on.
Yeah, they're literally, yesterday was all blue.
Just got a mud crab. Dad's on.
Where's the net?
See you left, behind you, behind you.
Yes, man.
Yeah, bros.
The boys just got a dog.
What is he?
Wicked fish. You sure it's a baby?
Yeah.
It's actually smaller harder than mine. Told you there was one there.
Steady now, then. Neutral.
What is it?
Yeah.
Little fingery. What's going on here, bud?
That'll do.
Trevally or something on here. Oh my. Queenie. Big Queenie.
Back up, Max.
Yeah, yeah, that's all good. Hang on, Dad. Just wait.
Just lift now. While we're bringing him in this way. Lift him right up.
Right next to the boat.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice one,
Oh,
mate.
yeah.
Alright guys, these are the clips from the last day's fishing. We weren't having too much luck. We dropped a lot of fish and you can actually see Harry's fish drop off just there.
Oh, lost him. No. Oh, he is still there. Oh, I swear he got off. Oh, now he's off.
Serious?
Go on.
Oh!
Was a barra. Nice snag.
How you got on? Goddamn catfish. Oh my.
Wheel it, wheel it, wheel it, wheel it. Just hold on.
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah.
Bloody boys. I'm gonna put one. Bendy barra. Don't want to drop him.
Alright guys, so we just finished up our Karumba trip for 2023. It was a bloody wicked trip. I caught 8 barra in the end. I think I only dropped 3, which is pretty good. Brother and my dad both caught a fish over 1 metre. So that was pretty good. And a fair bit of bycatch as well. I think I caught 6 new species. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.